Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an options trading strategy with Robinhood detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of options trading. Research the terminology associated with options, such as calls, puts, and strike prices. Open the Robinhood app on your device or log into your account online. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the app, especially the options trading section. Set your trading goals by determining your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Choose the underlying asset you want to trade options on. Analyze the stock's performance by looking at historical data and current market trends. Use Robinhood's built-in tools to review options chains for your selected asset. Identify the expiration date that aligns with your trading strategy. Decide between buying calls or puts based on your market outlook. Evaluate implied volatility, as it affects options pricing significantly. Consider the overall market conditions and economic factors that might impact your trade. Select a strike price that matches your expectations for the asset's price movement. Review the potential profit and loss scenarios based on your selected strike price and expiration. Place your order for the chosen option, ensuring you select the correct quantity and type. Monitor your open positions regularly to track performance and make necessary adjustments. Be prepared to exit your position based on your predefined exit strategy or market changes. Review and learn from each trade, analyzing what worked well and what could be improved. Continuously educate yourself about options trading through resources and community forums. Adjust your strategy as needed based on your experiences and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.